Come on, make sure you don't break the box. Never ending. Oops, another. What is this? Wow, it's a massive box. Oh my god, what is this? Hello. What is this? What is this? It's a charger. Oh, it's a charger. Did I open it?
Probably got to figure out a way to get it into the little brain from the family.
Figure it out how to open the presents. And I got mine here. What is this? Ayan.
Open. How you gonna open it?
£100.
£100 in there, Carl. You can get to it.
Show it to me when you open it.
Cody's got his. Carl, yeah, Mum got.
Come on. Come on, open your present.
Open it.
Oh dear.
That's right, Mum, give it back real quick.
You need to search it.
No.
Mum, I need money now.
I'll give you a one. Do you want a clue?
Yeah.
Okay, it's slide.
What is this?
Slide. That's
Shark glue. Oh,
very probably using that.
pampaganda guys.
Why?
Ayan.
One's got.
What is it?
Your face.
Okay, use it. Ah, look.
What is it?
The shark glue, Cody.
Face mask.
Face mask thing.
You know how I love my skin.
Skincare. Hold on. Oopsie. Buksan natin. Buksan. Yo. Shark glue. That's the charger. That's the charger. It's separated. Shark glue. Here you go. Like this. Ayan, papaganda guys. Ganda. Shark glue. Try natin next time. O, diba? Face mask to face mask. Thank you, Christmas. Ito yung binili ni Habi sa akin na in-unboxing ko ng Christmas. I-charge daw to ng 3 hours. So, i-charge ko muna siya guys. Ito, binili din niya tong charging. Kasi may nakita ko review nito. Yung charging nito, mas maganda kung may ganito siya. So, ayan, charge ko and then, try natin kung mag-start tayong magpaganda. Okay? See you again. Ayan, pag ko i-charge, ganito siya guys. Alala nyo to? Ayan, ganyan siya. Sabi nga nung para siyang nakakatakot tingnan, pero ito try ko siya kasi sakasakaling ayan, clip on pads pala siya. So, gusto ko siyang i-try. Hindi pala pwede itong i-share sa iba. So, ako lang gagamit. Meron siyang guides. Yung book guide. Yung guidance. Ayan. Yung user guide. Ayun. Yung kanyang bag. Storage bag. At yung charger niya. And then, meron siyang yung pinaka-pad. Ito pala yung pinaka-pad niya. Ayan. Ito. Cooling pad. So, dito. Clip on daw doon. Left and right. Ayan. Clip on. Tigay siya left and right. Ito try ko mamaya. Okay? Okay. Baboos. So, ito yung charging niya. Try natin. Okay. Tapos mabilis na ito. I-charge. Diba? Charge natin. So, ayan. Charge natin. Ito yung pinaka-plug niya. Hanap tayo ng mas malapit na charger. Hello everyone. Ito yung mode ng Better Aging. Ayan. Mayroon pa akong 2 minutes. 6 minutes to. 6 minutes siya ginagamit. And then, after nito, yun namang isa. So, keep on watching. So, ito naman guys. Ito naman yung sublemis niya. 8 minutes. Right there. So, ayan. Ibang kulay ito. May ibang kulay na ito ulit. Hindi ko nilagay yung pan niya kasi may hindi ako marinig. Okay. May ibang kulay na ito. Ayan. Nagbago na siya ng kulay. Nagbabago siya ulit. Mamaya. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Update ko. Nagbago siya ulit ng kulay. Which is 3 minutes left. Yung 8 minutes niya. Nagbabago siya ng kulay. Okay. May next pa. Okay. Ito naman iba. Skin sustain ito. Kita ba? Hindi masyado. Ayan ko na. Magkaiba siya guys. Iba-iba. Skin sustain. Ito 4 minutes lang. Okay? Thank you. Ito yung under eye niya guys. Ayan. Ito yung under eye niya. Paduli.